Okay guys, we're gonna change a muffler hanger, exhaust hanger. That rubber part here, mine is almost done. I'm gonna change it before it breaks and can cause a break in my exhaust. I'm gonna change it. I don't have the OA part, but it's gonna be a Walker rubber hanger, part number 35229 for a Silverado 2004. Quick tip here: put some soap on it. It's gonna act as lubricant. Will be easier to take off. It will probably be a pain removing it. Use pry bar. Will be a lot easier. Just prying on the spare tire. I guess you don't see anything. Yeah. Use my feet. Push. Yeah. There we go. Look, I'm going to break it. It's done. I would have lost it since I'm doing a lot of off-roading, going fishing. So each spring you better check them. Now put more soap to get the other one. And put some soap in the hole. about that? Perfectly. Water from the rain will take off the excess soap, and that's it. Yep, all worn out. Thanks for watching.